Assalamualaikum friends. Assalamualaikum viewers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video, friends, I will share you denim crafts ideas. So viewers, let's start today video. So friends, I will share you denim crafts ideas. So viewers, so friends, take an all jeans, cut the pockets carefully. Now take a piece of cloth or cardboard, stick the pockets on it using glue. Let it dry. Your denim pocket organizer, it's ready. You can use it to keep pen, brushes, small things. It is simple, useful and friendly. Try it at home. Denim cushions cover. Take and hold denims and cut square pieces. Join all pieces together like a patchwork. Now stitch the sides, add a zip or buttons, turn it inside out. Your beautiful denim cushions cover is steady. It looks stylish and modern. Don't throw our jeans. Reuse them and weavers, and friends, denim bag. Cut the legs of all jeans, stitch the bottom part closed. Now make two handles using leftover fabric. Attach them on both sides. Your denim bag is ready. You can use it for shopping or daily use. Easy and very useful. And friends, I hope you like my video. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest updates. So friends, let's start.